Have your fibroids come back after surgery? If so, you may be feeling angry, scared, or wondering what went wrong. You had the surgery. You took time to recover. You thought the problem was gone. Then, at your next scan, you hear the words, "Your fibroids are back." Sadly, this is a story many women know all too well. The truth is, surgery removes fibroids, but it may not address some of the reasons they grew in the first place. That's why many women feel stuck. They don't know what to do next. The good news is that there are still steps you can take to support your body. When you start looking at the bigger picture, you can begin making choices that help you move forward with more confidence and hope. If you want support from someone who has walked this path herself, nearly lost her life to fibroid surgery, healed holistically, and went on to have 3 healthy children after being told it might not be possible, comment network below. I'll send you the link to join the Wound Care Network, where you'll get deeper training, support, and practical steps to help you start getting positive results on your fibroid healing journey.